So if everybody an option of whatever you want, you can do flowers, or you can do cute, like cuties animal. This one is a, I believe this is a lip potion, right?
I think so.
I keep moving around, so there's a lip potion a little bit darker. It's so beautiful. Especially adorable. Pick up the second beads. Place it closer to the cuticles. Tuck it in. All right. And then I'm gonna use the crystal pickers. I'm gonna pick some cute flowers right there. Super adorable. Oh my god, this is so cute flowers. You're gonna do a bigger one right there. And then other one. Oh, this purple one is cute. Let's see what else I have. Oh, I like that. The teal. Look like an aqua teal or something. That's it.
And this one you have a flower garden.
Like a flower, the garden. You don't have to do it like that, but it's easier, and I add some beads on. It's the best thing to do it right now because it's still soft, your powder is setting, so it's kind of cool and fun to add some elements in there. Hey, but if you don't want anything of the beads on, you can definitely cap it with crystal clears and wait for it to dry, and you're good to go. I'm gonna add some and see how fun it is. You can create. You can using a smaller beads. I'm using these beads from the cute middle mix. That's it. I think I'm happy with this. You can add more if you want to, okay? All right, I'm gonna using a crystal clears and cap this beauty. Submerging my bristles back into the monomer. Pick up a good size of a crystal clear and place it right above of your last flower you finished. So you want to cap all of these elements in. This is cute. Add some more. Just pat into where if it's missing. If not, then you're good to go. Yep. It's not bad. I think it looks should be really, really good. I like it a lot. Oh, right here.